In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Webflow template designer. Let's dive straight into this journey, starting with the essentials for setting you on the right path. First, it's crucial to understand the basics of web design. Webflow offers a fantastic course called Webflow 101. This course will introduce you to the fundamental concepts of web design, providing you with a solid foundation to build upon. It's designed to give newcomers a comprehensive understanding of the tools and principles that will become vital in your work as a Webflow designer. Once you've got a grasp of the basics, the next step is to dig into additional resources. The internet is a treasure trove of information, and there are countless resources available. Whether it's articles, videos, or blogs, immersing yourself in this wealth of knowledge will expand your understanding of web design and Webflow's capabilities. You'll find innovative design techniques, best practices, and even obscure tips that can set your templates apart from others. Now, it's time to connect with the community. Sharing your designs with others is a powerful way to grow. You can do this through forums, social media platforms, and Webflow's own showcase. Encouraging and receiving constructive feedback can significantly enhance your design skills. This interaction not only helps you refine your work, but also keeps you updated on emerging trends and demands within the design community. It's an invaluable process for both personal and professional growth. With feedback and continuous improvement of your designs, you'll want to create a portfolio that truly highlights your skills and design range. Your portfolio is your personal gallery, showcasing your proficiency in creating diverse and responsive designs using Webflow. This is not just a tool for potential clients, but also a visual resume that should reflect your style, capability, and attention to detail. After assembling a comprehensive portfolio, you're ready to take the leap and apply to become a Webflow template designer. Start by offering your templates on online marketplaces or set up your own website. Marketing your templates is key. Remember to consider client needs and keep an eye on current design trends. This awareness will help ensure your templates remain relevant and appealing to potential buyers. Creating templates that stand out in a crowded marketplace can make a significant difference in attracting clients and opportunities. Finally, remember to market yourself. Let people know what you offer and why you stand out. Utilize social media, professional networks, and any platform that can help you reach potential clients. The more visibility you have, the more opportunities you'll encounter to grow your career as a Webflow template designer. And there you have it, a clear roadmap to becoming a Webflow template designer. Embrace each step, continue to improve your skills, and enjoy the process of crafting unique designs that captivate users.